Guys, we've just seen a World Cup champion completely naked. He's got a backpack and he might have a watch, but no clothes for sure. I'll show you in a sec. Ben! Why are you not wearing any clothes? Le cousin. I'm so beautiful, you like me so much.
Right now we're going to talk about a topic that's been talked about so much recently, and it's on Bernardo Silva and his social media jokes on Benjamin Mendy. What do we think on that, boys?
What I think on it is, I think Bernardo Silva is not racist, but the FA or whoever needs to come down heavy on him because he put it on social media and he's offending all the other black people out there. So for him to put it on social media, surely he must have thought, is this going to be okay for me to do?
I've got to stop you. I think he's racist.
You reckon he's racist?
I reckon he's racist. Because why would he do it? Sorry, so you're saying he's not racist, right?
He's not racist.
Hold on. He's not racist. So if he's not racist, what are they going to caution him about? It's not a racist act, right?
It's a racist act.
It's a racist act. It's a racist act, but he's not actually a racist.
Yeah, he's not a racist.
He has to be.
What's your
You're saying he's racist.
You're saying he's racist.
I reckon he's racist.
Wow.
Why
wouldn't he do it? I mean, what the flu?
Come on.
No.
If he wasn't racist, why would he do it?
Alright, cool. What do you think?
I don't think he's racist because I think that he's actually friends with Benjamin Mendy and with the other black players in Man City. So for me, that don't make you racist, but it is a racist joke.
Yeah, it's a racist joke.
It doesn't it doesn't necessarily mean that he hates all black people.
Alright, cool. This is my point of view on this, right?
Yeah.
We're only taking it this way because it's actually on social media. If we was all together there, we might not have seen it like that. But because it's got his phone out and the way he said it, we've all seen it on social media. For example, you play football. If your white friend said that to you, and remember, we don't know the relationship they both have.
Yes.
So they might have such a cordial relationship where he said something worse than before, but because the only reason why we're taking it this is because it's on social media where everyone feels
I know.
Hold on, one second. So what I'm trying to say, my point is now, if he did that on a training ground where no one saw it, would you still believe the FA should have cautioned it?
If someone heard it,
They can't caution it.
no one saw it.
Yeah, so my point is, but all this team could have saw it, but not the whole world have seen it.
Yeah, but that's that. Yeah, that's the.
But you have to do this thing to the T, right? Because you can't just say because not the whole world has seen it, you can't caution it. Are you getting my point?
No. Listen.
Just because it's not on TV.
I get your point.
Listen, if it happened in training and the team heard it, they've got to punish.
They've got to decide.
They've got to. Yeah, no, but they have to. They have to.
Okay, I understand. If, like, for example, I have a friend that's very close to me. He's white, and he said some racist jokes amongst all of us. For me, he's not racist, and we can accept that. But if I go to another club and I'm new, maybe, and someone made it, even if I'm spent a year there, but I'm not familiar, like very close to me.
What's Benjamin?
This white guy can keep saying it again.
Yeah, to us, only to us. But then, let me see what happened. Then another guy came in and heard his jokes that he was saying to us, and he said, "Tell him not to say that again, because if he says that again, I'm going to do something to him." That's what he said.
This one.
So now
it's about the relationship.
It's about the relationship. That's exactly what I'm saying.
My point is, what is Benjamin Mendy's intake on this?
He hasn't got to say anymore. Do you know why?
This is very important. No, it's very important.
It doesn't matter how he takes it.
Like I said, they're teammates.
How do you feel about your friend calling you?
If he calls me a chocolate chip or all this dark chocolate, whatever nonsense, and he's white and he's my close friend, we've grown up together, I will not be offended.
So that's my point.
For me, it's okay, but he has to be careful because he can't say it out there.
That's my point. Now you just actually said my point for me.
Yeah, do you know what I mean?
Benjamin Mendy might feel like, why is all these people getting about on social media?
Yeah, I know.
I understand what you're saying. He's not my friend.
Bernardo Silva's not my friend. If I'm
just saying,
what are you doing?
the only reason why we ever saying this is because of social media.
Exactly.
Because it's actually on social media.
Exactly. And
Benjamin Mendy could be saying that thinking, it's my friend. Like, he was laughing in the video.
No, maybe they
No, listen, I know.
Then my second point, I think these players that come from Spain or anywhere else, I think they should get like some sort of education
about how it is in UK.
I know.
And how it is.
But yeah, exactly. But another thing is, the reason why they have to do it, they have to come heavy on him, because you're gonna get people that gonna make the same mistake.
Yeah.
And then get away with it. No, we need to come down heavy on it straight and say,
stop,
you know what?
and stop
it there and
there.
then. No one should do that. If you want to ban a banner, most aware, you can't get out. If you come out,
don't do it on social media.
Exactly.
Just
do it.
Just don't do it.
He said you can do it.
Don't do it. But if you want to do it, it's up to you. It's like swearing. You're not going to swear on TV, but you can swear by camera.
We all know some people that we can speak a certain way to, but the same way we can't speak to someone else or they get offended.
It's about relationship. It's about building a strong bond.
But Bernardo Silva,
if you have so many rules and say you can't use the certain words in training, you're being and must be team.
Exactly.
So I agree with you in terms of don't get out on social media.
Exactly. The reason why it's not between him and Benjamin Mendy because he put it on his social media. If he wanted it between him and Benjamin Mendy, then he would have just let it be.
No, but the thing
why did he put it on social media?
The thing is, he probably doesn't know it's racist in UK. It's like what you said. Maybe in his culture, it wouldn't be seen as racist.
Yeah, maybe in Portugal,
so that's probably why he done it easily. The players that have grown up here, they won't do something like that. Or, I don't know, because they know this country and how we react to it. Maybe with him, it's just more education thing. Now he knows.
Like, for example, Harry Kane wouldn't do that.
Harry Kane wouldn't do that.
No, because Harry Kane,
even if he does
if he done it,
that's what I'm saying. They need education.
No. Harry Kane has probably done it, but behind closed doors.
Yeah, that's the thing. Bernardo Silva should have kept it behind closed doors, but because he don't know about how the system is.
Actually,
that's what I'm saying.
Education.
Harry Kane knows that education.
No, but I reckon Bernardo is probably racist. Maybe in Portugal.
I don't think it's racist.
I reckon.
You know why I don't think it's racist?
They're buddies.
He done it twice though.
Do you know what I think it's racist? Because if you're racist, there's a certain way you go about it. You're not necessarily going to put it out on your social media so blatantly for everyone to get onto. There's certain ways. If you're racist, there's so many people that are racist, but you wouldn't even know. Because when they're racist, they're not going to put it for the whole world to see and condemn them. So I don't think it's racist. I think it's a conscious mistake that is made, and I reckon he's going to go back and think about himself and learn from it.
But the FA, please.
Education.
Whoever.
Education.
No, education. Please come down heavy on him. Heavy. So
What's the
heavy. I'm talking about
9-game ban.
No. Sorry. Yeah. Suarez bit someone and made a racist comment.
That's different. That was in the game.
Doesn't matter.
Suarez bit someone in the game.
No, but we're trying to come
He's done this not on the pitch. I can get 9 games.
No, he's a lovely guy. I don't want him to get banned, but he has to, just for the sake to make it
That's
out
not
there.
fair. If you're
You know what it is now, yeah? The whole world is watching to see what the Premier League and the FA are going to do. I think they should just give him a 9-game ban and a fine. Leave it as that.
9 games ban.
Yes.
I wouldn't say it's the same situation as Suarez though. Because education or not, with Suarez situation, you don't do it.
Heavier.
The whole world is watching. The whole world.
UK is racist.
Live.
Yeah.
And then he put it.
I think get hit, but as much as 9 games.
Yeah. Listen. So you know why?
The timing of it.
The timing. Because there's things that happen in Italy. Look how people are like this. Look how.
That's excessive.
And then you're saying Sterling.
For example, you can't if the FA goes and give him a 2-game ban, other players will be thinking, oh, it's only a 2-game ban.
They're not going to do it. No.
They won't do it either.
A 2-game ban.
It does.
What I believe will be more influential in the FA to do is if they can fine him or
fine him.
Can I be honest? Do you know what I want? Do you know what needs to happen? I'm going to be honest with you. I know it sounds harsh, but he needs to go whole season ban straight.
What?
I'm being honest. Do you know why? It's a whole season. Do you know why? Because everyone, the whole world's talking about racism here. Everyone's now watching to see. Okay, this is blatant now.
This is
come on.
This is out of
he's a nice guy.
They're going to change that because what?
Because what they're doing, they're not going hard on all these stadiums, all these fans that are making.
All they get is fines. It's a big club.
But
now I say, you know what?
When was the last incident where a player was racist like this? It's been a long time. Basically, the most serious incident is the fans. That's the most serious racism issue right now. It's more the fans. But that's what's been happening more week in, week out on Twitter, on social media. So you're trying to say it will affect other players. Players weren't doing it anyway. So a whole season ban, punishing him for a whole season ain't changing nothing about the fans.
Do it. After the fact, those fans, because do you know what they need to do? The FA needs to also ban him, then go to fans, whoever done racist comments in the pitch, the club that can't receive fans anymore.
Not even fans. I'm sorry. The team should be out of the
They really want to eradicate.
You can't punish.
Do you know why you should punish the stadium? The stadium. Do you know why? This club will think, you know what? We need to watch out who we're allowing in the stadium from now on, because we need to protect the players. Because if they really want to deal with it, they need to go hard now. Drastic. The way they go on drugs, they banned Nasri for taking whatever he took, and then Look, wait,
you can't compare drugs.
No, you can. You can.
Anyway, let's not deviate from the.
But for me, this guy needs to get come down heavy.
Down heavy.
To be honest,
What punishment?
I like it.
For me, he should receive some kind of punishment, but not as excessively as that. In my opinion, punishment isn't going to solve everything. For me, it's more education. In my personally, to the fans, to the players, that's the best way to move forward.
Okay, can I ask something? Let me ask a question. How come racism is never towards the white people? A racist comment. Why?
Elaborate. What do you mean?
Okay, it's Bernardo Silva towards a black man. The fans towards a black man. Okay, why? You're saying it shouldn't come down excessive hard, but why is it never against the white person?
How would you become racist? How would you become racist to a white person?
For example, obviously it's not being racist.
Would you believe they would not take that as racism?
They won't take us racism.
Because that's not racism. It's easier, no, it's hard to say it, it's hard to say it, but it's easier to be racist against a black person.
Yes, because
very, very easy.
Slavery.
It's very, very hard for you to be racist to a white person. What do you call them? They would, okay, you might call it racist, they wouldn't take it as racism.
I know.
But if someone calls you a black monkey,
then that's racist.
Straight away you're thinking, oh my god.
Because of what's happened, that's why.
So what has happened to them for us to be racist? That's my point.
What
has happened to them for us to be racist to them?
Nothing has happened.
So how do you be racist to them?
But I couldn't compare.
What is your point when you say you ask that question?
What my point is, yeah. The way you said it shouldn't be, it shouldn't be this, it shouldn't be that, man. This is what they're all talking about. It shouldn't be like this. Like Pep backed him. I understand. Pep and Bernardo Silva are correct. They're not racist. They're not racist. I know that.
They just don't know.
But what Pep should have said, on social media, it should never have happened. Do you know what he should have done? He said, Man City, we're going to deal with it, because he shouldn't have done that on social media, especially what's going on around in the world about black people and racism. He should say, you know what? No, I'm not backing Bernardo Silva for doing it. We should go down heavy on him, and he shouldn't put it on social media.
I mean, all this racist from black men to white men.
He's not racist for doing it.
There should just be no racism in football anyway. We all should play football and love football.
No, racism for me. If you're not familiar with the person, don't compare him to a different colour or animal or anything like that. If you're not
but they think it's correct. Like, that's what I'm saying. They need education.
I agree. Education. He's education.
This is not education.
They have a lot to do.
Russia. Obviously, you don't know the.
How it is.
So the club themselves, they have a lot of work to do in terms of education. So I agree both of you.
Because obviously I can see. Look, I'm going to be honest with you. The perception is in other countries, not here in London especially. It's not here. It doesn't happen here, but in other countries, they see black people. They compare it to when you go back to Africa to see it looking like the monkeys. That's how they see it, and obviously they're not educated.
It's not about education because there's not as many black people in those countries.
Exactly, and
so
that's
for example,
that brings the education.
And exactly. So going back to the ultimate point is, if you come down to play in this kind of level, the educationists that come in and tell you, listen, you don't say these certain things because you can't expose this thing online. Like you lot are saying, it will look bad to everyone else.
Even to a white person as well.
In your peers. It might look like you're just bantering, but you can't. This is where the education part comes in. There's certain things you can say and put out there. So I think that concludes it.
See, let me put it this way. Let me put it this way. Why I think the education is more important than any punishment, because if we leave it like this year and not punish him, Bernardo, let's say the FA does not punish him at all. Do you think Bernardo Silva is going to do this again?
No.
He's not doing it again anyway.
Yes,
that's because now he knows how this country is. But he lied the hard way. No, so what I say is, Man City had the duty, or whoever, agent, or whoever, bringing him, when he came over to educate him about what you need to know that you're coming to an area, this is what you expect or not.
Can I be honest?
Punish Man City.
Can I say something?
If it's found out that they didn't educate him,
can I say something? Have you been a victim of racism?
Many times.
Have you?
Yeah.
Oh, I haven't. I've never been a victim of racism. So that's why I can say Bernardo Silva is not racist. I'm not maybe naive to it. I don't even see racism in this country. I have not even. When people talk about it, I don't understand it. I think, where's the racism? I have many white people that look after me.
Okay. Now let me not tell you something. So what I'm saying. You experience racism, but you don't take it as being racist. And I'll tell you why, because there's so many things out in day to day. Everyone is racist to you.
Yeah.
Because you have such an understanding where you're thinking, that's not racist to me. And that's a very good mindset because you're not taking it personally.
Yeah.
Something so
I
little where
need
he
to.
might take as racism, you don't have
Yeah,
to.
but exactly.
Because
I
it doesn't
need
affect
to.
you day to day.
They need to. Do you know why they need to? Because it's too much now. Many people are complaining about it. Many people are crying out about it. So I'm thinking, when I heard Sterling talk about it, Lukaku, even from Etu, when Etu was talking, I was thinking, what are they talking about? Okay, what is their problem? Let me see. And now it's getting out of hands where I can see adverts coming in now, making. I'm thinking, okay, now it's getting serious now. Okay, I'm seeing more now, and now just okay. You know what? FA should do something about it because everyone's complaining about it. Let's hammer it down and shut it off because not everyone understands it. I don't see. That's not racist at all. But I'm saying he has to get that punishment because for the majority, there's many other black people out there that are fuming with this guy. I'm telling you, let's not talk about for all black people because black people right now are looking at this and think maybe they want to hurt him. They're thinking, no, I hate this guy. This because they've gone through hardship. That's what I'm saying. So we need to speak on behalf of everyone and say, you know what, this needs to be punished because of everyone, not just for us. We can take it. We're okay with it. Do you know what I mean? We're okay with this sort of banner. But for everyone else, I'm telling you, I know a few black people who will not take this and who will be so angry at it. They'll think, you know what? I don't like what he said. Let's do something about it.
So
Do you know what I mean?
so the main positive with the punishment is to prevent it happening anymore. That's what
Not
you're saying.
prevent. It's not about preventing. It's about to make. It's like saying this country.
Set an example.
Make a statement. This country is aware of it and we don't tolerate
So
it.
prevent it.
So instead of putting a banner and saying kick racism out of football, let's really show that we're kicking racism out of football. So if you're gonna kick him out for the season or kick him out drastically for 9 months or 9 games, whatever, you're showing well, yeah, we're kicking it out now. But if we're not doing anything about it, how are you kicking it out?
And my issue with that only is that I feel like Bernardo Silva really didn't know what he was doing.
I feel
so
sorry
it's
for
like
him, I feel
it's kind of like being
I'm
hard to-
sure he's watched TV and known what.
If he had,
What's not
I don't think he would have done
his
it.
brother.
If he had, he would have done it. I don't think so.
Brother or no brother, he's watched TV, he's known what's racist.
Like you said, both of you got a very good point. It's all about education, and I think that should be left.
No, but I think
It's a bit of
I think you know, he knew what he was doing.
Okay.
100%. He
That's your
definitely knew.
That's your opinion.
He knew.
Yeah, and what doesn't help is no Man City what they're doing as well right now. They're just making excuses for it.
What is Sterling said about it?
Pardon?
What has Sterling mentioned about it?
Sterling's backing him saying he's not a
They're
racist
backing him.
person.
Yeah, exactly. 'Cause
Like
they
I
know-
said,
they know.
I don't believe he's racist.
He's not racist. Of course he's not. But
Because
it's
it makes it work because it's
It's a racist act. It's a racist act. It's a racist act. Yeah. It's a racist act. Racist joke.
Yeah.
Yes, fine. But because it's on social media, he has to get it. If the FA doesn't, then we have to question. We have
It's
to
a big problem.
It's a big problem. It's a big problem.
Big problem.
So
Alright guys, now
Because that-
interesting debate though, but let us know what you guys think.
Yeah, let us know what you think. I mean, we'd like to hear your ideas and stuff as well. Is it racist? Is it not racist? Should they get punished?
Like and subscribe. Jason, you didn't bring me in. You didn't say. Stand on the chair.